and today we're going to be doing more things from the Horrible Science Explosive Experiments kit, and today we are going to be making slime, my favourite, and it says in the kit that it's supposed to be super snot, so I'm guessing it's going to be really gooey. We haven't done this before, so I'm super excited. Right. First, you need to fill half of a measuring cup, 100ml measuring cup, up with hot water. Right, that's good. There we go. Now we're going to cut the packet and slowly pour the slime powder into the cup. Alright, and we're going to mix a bit at a time. Oh, it's going really green. I'm so excited what it's going to be like at the end. So you should be stirring for about 5 minutes until all the lumps have gone. And then, once you're finished, you'll have to leave it to harden, or not harden, but you'll have to leave it for 10 minutes. Right, so now we're going to mix it for a while until most of the lumps have gone. Because there's loads of big lumps, which we sort of don't want. Otherwise it'll make the slime, because the slime will have loads of lumps and we don't want that. Ew, disgusting, isn't it? It looks so weird. Green colour, a weird, really green colour. Because when it was in the packet it looked fine, but now it's gone really disgusting and green, like snot. Yeah. It's now been 5 minutes of mixing, and now we are going to leave our slime to set for 10 minutes. So we'll come back in a bit. Bye! It's now been 10 minutes and our slime has set. And so now we're going to play with it for a while and hopefully it should go a bit less gooey. I'm scared it's going to stick to me. Ew. It's so cool though. Ew. There's so much of it. Let's get all of it out. I want it all to be slime. Because we love our slime. We really do. Like, really do. So, right, it feels really satisfying. There's loads of air bubbles as well. They're nice to pop. The slime keeps on sticking too though. It keeps on, when I'm trying to get it off the other hand, then once I've got it off the other hand, it's stuck to the other hand. So I'm like switching it from other hand to the next hand. Hand to hand, hand to hand. So once your slime is less sticky, once you're happy with it, you can get a slime container, which this one comes in the kit, and you will store your slime in your container so that you can play with it again, and the container is so that it doesn't dry out. And that is my, well, super snot / slime from the Horrible Science Explosive Experiments kit.